Hi everyone, welcome to garden class. In today's session we will learn how to grow silk floss or cieba speciosa. This is beautiful flower of silk floss. You can see how lovely and adorable flower it carries. This is called silk floss flower, and today we are going to grow it from its cutting. I have got few cutting from nursery, so we will be learning the procedure how to grow silk floss from its cutting. Why it is called silk floss? Because after ripening fruits, inside you will find the silk like, see, like this silk like material. That's why it is called silk floss. In olden days it was being used for life jackets, and nowadays also it is used in pillow as well as quilts. You can use it for so many purposes. Okay, so I'm going to make a cut of 6 to 8 inches, and all the cut I will be growing in potting mix that I have prepared. And it is easy to grow silk floss from its cutting, because generally plants are very costly in nursery, so you can grow it from cuttings. Collect all the cutting accordingly, all thick and small, all cutting I am collecting it in different thickness, different size, and we will be growing it in pot. Sometimes it is getting confused for orchid tree. See, this is the flower of. This looks quite similar to silk floss flower, but only difference in leaf. This is the leaf of silk floss. See the leaf, and this is the leaf of kachanar. It is also called kachanar. That orchid tree is called kachanar. So leaf is only different. Now I have dipped the cutting in homemade rooting hormone, that is cinnamon powder, because cinnamon powder is not only rooting hormone, it is antibacterial and antifungal. And this potting mix I have especially prepared for growing the cutting, and it carries garden soil 30%, compost 30%, sand 20%, cocoa peat 20%, and some other fertilizer I have added in minor quantity. So I have already soaked the potting mix, because after putting the rooting hormone, if you are putting water later, sometime the maximum portion of rooting hormone getting washed away. So I have already wet the potting soil, and one by one, this is I'm using honey as a rooting hormone. One I have used cinnamon powder, other one is honey. So different type of rooting hormone you can use, and you can try with the combination also. So maximum time you try homemade rooting hormone, and sometime it is very successful. And see, instead of one cutting of 45 degree, I am putting 60-degree cutting in both side of the cutting. You can see I am putting the cut of 60-degree in both side, and this is the conventional rooting hormone I am using as a rooting hormone. It is the conventional one, rooting hormone. You can use the, if you are not getting home made rooting hormone, you can use the conventional one. You can use saliva, you can use disprin dissolved in water, you can use apple cider vinegar 5% solution with water, and one by one I am putting all the cutting gently, and later I will be pressing the sides of all cutting. Since the soil is very soft, I am not making pre-hole, and see, press like this with both hands. All the cutting should be nicely pressed. There should not be any trace of air inside, and I am putting some sort of sands above that. One layer, a small layer of rough sand. This is taken from the construction site. So this sand will help it to generate the root faster, and same way. And now I am using aloe vera gel as a rooting hormone. This is also not only rooting hormone, it is antibacterial and antifungal. And I am using combination here, aloe vera gel with rooting hormone. After dipping in aloe vera gel, I am dipping the cuttings in conventional rooting hormone, and I am placing it in pot, a small one. See, I am putting cut from both end, and at 60 degree it is made, and again it is aloe vera gel plus cinnamon. One I have used aloe vera gel with rooting hormone, other one aloe vera gel and cinnamon powder, and this one is aloe vera gel. After planting all the cut, after dipping in different type of rooting hormone, we will be placing this pot in shaded area and share the update shortly. Thank you for being with me.